I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do with this. I'm gonna show you the first step. So what we are going to try to do, and you don't have to start anything yet, you guys do have palettes and everything, but we are going to make a circular painting. The first step is going to be to take one of our bigger brushes here and paint a circle in the very center of, and what that is gonna look like is it kind of is gonna mean covering that word chinette or however you pronounce it, the brand of these very, no, doesn't have to be yellow, but you're basically just going to be painting concentric circles. What does concentric circles mean? Anybody know what that means? Concentric circles. Think of a target, right? That has multiple rings going out from it. That's what we're trying to do. So you might paint one color in the center, and then you're gonna paint another ring of a different color around it. Just like that. And it does look a little bit like a flower, but it's just concentric rings. And some rings can be skinny, and some rings can be fat. The thing that you want to try to do is try to paint colors next to each other that are very different. I just painted the teal color, that dark teal. Do I want to go in with a blue? Because that'd be pretty similar, right? What color should I do next?
Pink.
Maybe like a pink, yeah. And since I just painted a thick ring, maybe the next ring that I do should be thin. And you don't have to alternate thick, thin, thick, thin. You could do thick, thick, thin, 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 thick. You know, you could have two of the same thickness right next to each other, but you do want to alternate colors, like warm, cool, warm, cool, warm, cool. Okay, so you're basically just gonna do this sort of thing, just painting different concentric circles. Try to keep them as neat as you can. And then once our whole plate, including all the way up to the rim, is all painty, then we're gonna do something else after that. Okay, so go ahead and start loading up your palette with colors. Take a little bit of everything, a little bit, you don't need a ton, take a little bit of everything.